Alright, so now we have here the iPhone 13 mini and iPhone 13 in the nice pink color. So we finally get a pink color. It looks like it's going to be really great. So let's basically just get right into this. You can get this 13 mini right here for, I believe it's $6.99. And they have a lot of carrier deals going on right now. So you can almost basically get these for technically free if you enter kind of somewhat of a contract with the carrier. But first impressions, looks fantastic. Let's open the other one up to see. Of course, the box is just pink on the sides here. And it just looks really nice. I definitely thought we were gonna get a pink Pro this year. And I feel like we should have gotten a pink Pro. That would have been fantastic. It would have looked amazing. Even better than the gold. That would have been a great option, but didn't get it. Hopefully next year, we'll see. Now let's go ahead and pull these up. And right here, let's remove these screen films. In the box, you're not gonna get really much of anything, just the lightning to USB-C, and then just some little pamphlets here, an Apple sticker, and a SIM eject tool. So nothing important, nothing special. What we're used to now, so no power bank or anything like that. One of the cool things here is the fact that I don't know what I was gonna say, so that's cool. Let's take this one off and move on from that, and let's take a look at the color. So how does it look? Well, maybe with the lighting there, to you it looks quite white, and with this amount of lighting it is kind of loses color a bit, but my goodness, it looks fantastic. This color is so subtle. These are the types of colors that I wanted for the Pro this year, but we didn't get. Look at that. It's such a nice color. Wow, it's so nice. Let's pull in the Starlight here and do a quick comparison here between the two, because these are definitely poised to be my two favorite colors for the iPhone 13 this year. Dang, they are so nice. Like, these colors are so nice that I would consider getting this instead of the Pro because the color is just super cool. And now let's go ahead and put this one side to side right there. Look at the sheen right there from the pink. Very subtle pink. And I love when it's like this. It's like a rose almost here on the sides. Very nice. You should be able to see it there. A little bit darker there. The antenna lines, the ports here at the bottom. Let's see. Super, super nice. Wow. I know I'm just saying kind of super nice, but that's what it is. I mean, what else? How else am I supposed to describe this, right? From the front here, you can see the pink slight outline there. Looks great as well. Let's go ahead and boot these up. Then we're gonna go ahead and show to you how it looks from a distance, and then we'll do some cases. So here we go. I booted up this camera here, and let me show you, grab this one first. There it is, how it looks while texting. Can I see it from here? Not really. To me, it looks white here on the camera, but hopefully to you, you can kind of see the slight pink tones. It should still be noticeable from a distance. Here's the mini. Both side by side. If you are thinking about mini or the larger one, I would spring for the mini just because of portability. It's so easy to handle. So if your hand works with it, I would definitely get that one. This is obviously how it looks while talking right there with the color. And then here is the mini. If the mini doesn't quite fit your hand, then definitely just go for the larger one because you also do get 2 hours of battery life. It's $100 more, but those 2 hours of battery life are quite good, and you get a larger screen, which is quite nice as well. But if your hands fit this, get this. The portability is amazing. You can put any case on this and it's still super portable. Let me bring it up to you here. Maybe you can see it a little bit better here. Of course, there's a ton of lighting here, but it still gives you an idea of how it looks there. You should be able to see the pink right there on the sides. Looks super good. Let's get them both side by side here. Turn here. And yeah, let's go ahead and get back here. Now the next thing I want to show you real quick is here the MagSafe battery, in case you want to get one of those, because if you do get the smaller one and you want some more battery life on the mini, look how cool that is. It fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. It's just a cute little chunk there that you can remove and put on whenever you want, which is nice. Here's how it looks on the normal 13. So got a little bit of space. It's still quite comfortable to hold. I would even say that sometimes it makes the iPhone even more comfortable to hold just because that little bump kind of fits into your hand nicely. Now a MagSafe Wallet. They have a bunch of colors now, but this is from last year, and you can see that there with the pink a little bit. Looks quite good. More than anything, also just kind of helping you with the size, the idea of the size here. There we go. And let's put a few cases just so you can see. Here we have a pink case. Pink with pink. That should work. Let's see. Yeah, that looks nice. It almost makes this look white because it's not super pink, but there is a subtleness to the pinkness that is still there that looks super nice, and I really like it. Let's go ahead and just put a black case on here in case you want to do that. Still works super well. I mean, this is not the case for this phone. Not sure how I grabbed this one. I've come back with the correct case. Here we go. Still works super well. Of course, you have the black lenses, which match with the black case, and it looks good. Does it look as good as the pink case? I don't think so, but it still looks good. Matches a wide variety of colors, I would say, with cases because it's such a light pink. It's not a harsh pink. And here, just this one real quick from the back to see how that looks, which is quite nice. Matches that quite nicely too. I think that's about it. Here's another black case. I don't have a ton of cases this year, and I'm waiting for the Apple official cases to be able to do those all in another video, so we'll try those later. But here you go. Another case right there. But overall, just a really stunning color. So far, it's been tough. If you're looking for a light color that's unassuming and not too attention grabbing, go for Starlight or this pink one. If you like pink in general, go for pink. If you don't really in general go for pink, go for Starlight, because the Starlight still has some sort of goldish, pinkish undertones, which look really great, almost beige-like. And then this one just goes full on for those pink tones. And I would say I do prefer the Starlight color. They're both really good. Let's see them again. What do you guys think? Which one's nicer? Right there, when you compare them side by side, you can see some of the gold tints, hopefully, on the Starlight color, and then the pink tint here. I think they're both fantastic. Personally, obviously, if I was to buy one, the Starlight is a little bit more neutral, so I don't have to commit so much to one color, but the pink looks fantastic. I really like it. Can't go wrong with colors on the iPhone 13 and 13 mini this year. Choose whatever you like, and I think you're gonna be happy. We still have the black one here and the blue one, so we'll do those in the next videos. But so far, Apple's hitting it out of the park with this, but not necessarily with the Pro version, because I wasn't a big fan of those colors. The white one was pretty nice, but all the other ones, and well, obviously graphite's good, but we didn't get special colors. Whatever, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.